Hi, this is Adriana, and this is step number 9 of Mindset 360 training with Asia Roberts. And this step is about another way to guard your mindset, either when you want to grow your business or start a new business. The first step is to clean up your social media of any type of negativity. For instance, on Facebook, there's no need to see any kind of negative information from anyone to influence you for a second. So there are several strategies, and one of them is to unfollow people. You can still have them in your profile, but you just unfollow them, or completely blocking them, so you will become more selective over time. So the other way is to create a new profile with the understanding that the platform allows only one profile. Therefore, you will need to download everything that you need from your profiles, just in case for any reason something happens to either one of them. In this new profile, it is suggested to add your business people, entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, people related in your business, positive people that will be supporting you as well, and people that are in your areas of interest too. For instance, people that are like in sports or musicians, photographers, artists. Then you should go to the professional level within SalesVision, where you will learn the secrets on recruiting an online team duplication strategy. These same strategies are the ones that Asia Roberts applied and became one of the top affiliate internet lifestyle networks, along with Vincent Ortega, Clifton Hatfield, and Mark Hoverson. So choose to learn from the experts and open a free account in SalesVision by clicking the link in the description. Thank you for watching.